Just as your mother has given a birth to you, so to the land has given a birth to you. With this proud feeling for our motherland, we, the students of grade 8, are going to conduct today's assembly on Merchant Captain Vikram Batra. Jai Bharat. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Captain Vikram Batra, born on 9 September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He attended the DAV Public School in Palampur. He completed his bachelor degree in 1995 and enrolled at Punjab University for pursuing MA in English so that he could prepare for a cabinet defense service. Merchant Captain Vikram Bhatra joined Indian Military Academy at Dehradun in June 1996. During this military career, he was posted to Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, Mewar in Madhya Pradesh, Sajanapur in Uttar Pradesh, and then the Cargo War. He began his service as lieutenant. He rose to the rank of captain. Now let us hear a thought from Samruddhi.
Good morning everyone, myself Samruddhi Deshmukh from grade 8. Today I am going to deliver the thought. The truth of the matter is that you always know the right thing to do, but the hard part is doing it. Thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, Samruddhi. The brave story of martyrs goes hand in hand. Let us hear the brave story of Captain Vikram Bhatra from Jai.
Jai Bharat. Today I am going to tell bravery story. Vikram's unit received order to move to Kargil and he reported for duty on June 1st, 1999. 18 days later, on June 1999, he was ordered to recapture point 5140. In his first major battle in war, in the spite of the enemy having the advantage of height, Vikram and his men led a brilliant tactical assault on the enemy. The enemy camp was routed, their soldiers killed, and 13 J&K rifles won a decisive victory that strengthened Indians' hold on the territory and would later lead to the fall of Tiger Hill and India's eventual victory. Enlightened that all his men had made it alive, Vikram famously told his commander at the base, "Ye dil mange more," using the popular slogan of Pepsi as champion to express his desire to do more. 9 days later, Vikram called from base camp before leaving for another crucial operation. Vikram's next operation was one of the most difficult mountain warfare champions undertaken during Kargil, the capture of the point 17,000 feet high point 4,875. The icy slopes of this peak were 80 degrees steep, even more precious by his bullet. His thick fog and Pakistani troops had positioned themselves at the height of 16,000 feet. On the night of July 7, Vikram and his men began their tortuous climb to fortify the Indian force, which was already fighting the invaders at 16,000 feet. The enemy got wind that the formidable Sher Shah, Vikram's coded name, had arrived and intensified their attack, raining mortar and automatically fire from above. They knew who Sher Shah was. By then, the young captain military prowess had become the stuff of legend on the both sides. Vikram counter-attacked furiously, supported ably by his friend and fellow officer Anuj Nair, engaging in hand-to-hand combat, clearing enemy bunkers and egging their men forward. The two bravehearts forced the shocked enemy to retreat. The mission was almost over when a junior officer injured his legs in an explosion. As Vikram rushed out of the bunker to rescue him, he, his Subedar begged him not to go and said he would go instead. Under heavy fire, he ruled Janets and the enemy machine gun post and killed 5 soldiers in close combat. While moving towards the injured lieutenant, he had just reached and was lunging to lift his mate when he was hit by a bullet in his chest, mortally wounded. Vikram passed away after completing the mission in a manner that it earned his name him alongside some of India's greatest military heroes. His comrade in battle, Captain Anuj Nair, had also died while clearing enemy bunkers. By morning, India had recaptured Peak 4875, now called Vikram Batra Top, but lost 2 of her bravest sons. Either come back after raising the Indian flag in the victory of return wrap in it, but I will come sure, for sure, said by Martia. Caption Vikram Batra. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Jay. Ridisha will share us all the achievements award rated by Vikram Bhatra.
Morning. My name is Vidisha Vikesh Jain and I am going to say achievements. During the school time, Vikram Batra has represented his school in table tennis. He was green belt holder in karate. He was qualified for C certificate in NCC. He joined as lieutenant and achieved the rank of captain in Indian Army. He passed the CDS examination and got selected at SSB. He was among the top 85 candidates. He got highest military honor on 15th August 1999. Thank you.
Thank you, Ridisha. Now let us move towards the interesting part, that is quiz question. My first question is, in which year Indian Army was established? Answer is 1895. My second question is, the smallest unity of Indian Army is called section. My third question is, who is the present Chief of Indian Army? Answer is Bipin Rawat. My fourth question is, who is the head of Indian Army? Answer is Chief of Army Staff. My fifth question is, which is the highest rank of Indian Army? Answer is Field Marshal. Thank you. Jai Hind.